From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your afternoon update. Your weekend weather update is made possible by Caltrans District 2.
Reading Rodeo returns May 14th through the 17th with 4 big nights of rodeo action. Bulls, barrels, broncs, and big-time thrill. We even added breakaway roping. Get your tickets now at readingrodeo.com. The Reading Rodeo. 4 nights of rodeo excitement and fun for the whole family. Reading Rodeo, May 14th through the 17th. Get your tickets now at readingrodeo.com.
Hey folks, good afternoon. One last day of unsettled weather, and we have beautiful skies for the rest of the week. In fact, summer-like conditions for a lot of us. Notice we still see some of that moisture with these clouds filtering in. The valley's pretty clear right now, and we'll continue to clear out through the day, but we're not totally done with that precipitation just yet, especially in the eastern mountains. See that there? Yep, sure enough, we got those temperatures suppressed to the west and precipitation continuing in the east as well. Some thunderstorms possible here for the next 6 or so hours. 70s in the valley will be the warmest spots, but over the next few days, we get rid of those entirely. I think we have a nice stretch of weather here heading into the first half of the week, starting tomorrow. I think tomorrow will be a little bit windy, probably lasting into Monday as well, but otherwise, no rain to go along with that. And check it out, by the midweek here through Wednesday, Thursday, and beyond, we get ridging. That does 2 things. 1, it keeps us dry, and 2, keeps us hot. We're going to get up to the upper 80s, lower 90s by the time we're heading through the second half of the week. And even still, by Friday into Saturday, we're holding this pattern of mostly dry conditions, some clouds filtering in maybe, but you know, that doesn't impact the forecast too much, at least in the big picture. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast. So there's those kind of windy conditions I was talking about through tomorrow, and still today too along the coast. We've seen some pretty good gusts. Beautiful skies though for the rest of the week. Look at those 80s a little further inland. We're talking mid-80s there as we head through Tuesday and Wednesday. Trinity County, same story. 1 or 2 of us might be flirting with 90 as we head into the lower levels there through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The lower elevation population centers out there. Mount Shasta City near 80 by Tuesday and Wednesday. Alturas and Modoc County, few rumbles of thunder here as we head through today, as well as out towards the eastern mountains as you saw there earlier. Notice that though, that trend is dramatic. 60s to 70s to 80s in just a few consecutive days. That's a nice trend. That's going to work in our favor for those outdoor conditions. Not a whole lot to talk about there for the rest of the week. That's a good thing compared to this more active pattern that we've seen over the last few weeks. So if you've been wanting to go out for hikes, enjoy the outdoor conditions, this is the type of weather. Here are those 90s I was talking about. I wasn't just hyping it up. Sure enough, as we head through that midweek time frame, I bet you we'll start seeing those in the valley.